Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Goreti Mia. If you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So in my last hair care video, which not my last, but the one before that, the one I did about using aloe vera for massive hair growth, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Some people asked me where I get my aloe vera from. Okay, the thing is, right now I don't have aloe vera plants. I do have one, but it doesn't have gel, so the leaves are not thick enough to extract gel from. But I saved the tips of the aloe vera leaves and I wanted to use them to propagate new aloe vera plants so that I can have my own supply of aloe vera for use on my hair and my son's hair, of course, because they both have long hair and they need the moisture, they need the nutrients, they need the benefits aloe vera provides. So today I'm going to propagate aloe vera plants from aloe vera leaves, and I'm sure it's going to take some time for them to develop roots and for them to grow so that I could use them. But until then, I have 5 pieces which I need to plant, so I'm going to use these seedling bags to propagate them, and I hope they grow really soon. I'm going to need healthy soil. I'm going to need healthy and probably fertilized soil. And I think I know the place I can get that. Yeah, here. Yeah, this place has like really healthy soil. It is fertilized because it has all these, the fallen and rotten twigs act as fertilizer, so the soil here is really good, and you can tell from the growth of these plants here. I am also getting some help from the boys. Make a hole in the soil like that, and I am going to insert the side that still has a gel in the soil. Yes. Then press down to make sure the leaf holds. This will ensure that it does not fall. Put that aside. Take another bag. Make a hole. Again, the side that still has gel. Like that. Press down. That is it. I have propagated my aloe vera leaves. And in a few months, I will have my own supply of aloe vera to use on my hair as much as I want. Yeah. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned how to propagate aloe vera plant from aloe vera leaves. And I'm hoping that you're going to do it and you'll have your own aloe vera for use on your natural hair. As you know, aloe vera is really good for hair. It moisturizes, it stabilizes your pH, it reduces inflammation, itching, dandruff. So it has a lot of benefits on your hair. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.